You're back.
Who did this? Who? My lord, your old enemies. They came for revenge. My lady. She barely got out with the young lady. Who? Enemies. I'll kill them!
Don't do that. You can't fight them.
Because why? I'm the Night King now! I can protect you!
I won't save you. You've made too many enemies. Just let it go. Live as someone ordinary. For our daughter. Must our daughter meet the same fate because of you?
Icarus, look, my power, sealed 18 years. Until she comes of age, I won't raise a hand.
Good. A new Night King will rise. Then no one will come for you. Live with her in peace. I never chose a name for her.
Her name will be Serene. In Rulan, it means peace. Serene Essa.
Serene. Beautiful name.
Serene Essa, you will represent Stormland in the Imperial campaign. Win it, and you'll earn the right to find out what truly happened that year.
I, Serene Issa, swear on my honor as a knight, I will become the Night King. For the people of the Stormlands, and for my mother.
I made a deal with a demon just to take back this arm, and now I've finally broken through. 11th rank, the true grey mist. Earth! Go to Stormlands with Julian. Bring back what's ours.
Yes, Grand Commander.
Storm. 18 years in the shadow. Come out and face me. This time I'll crush you and your storm into dust!
What, he can't stand on his own? Stay out of it, stableman. Why is the commander so harsh on that stableman?
Because he's her father. Back in the massacre, her mother was killed. And this man did nothing. No revenge, no spine.
18 years, Icarus. I've kept my promise. Serene has grown up safe.
Serene, it's your birthday today. Come home for lunch. I made your favorite.
Get lost. The day you chose not to avenge her, I lost my home. Listen! My Stormblade! 6th rank now, and we're in this year's Imperial campaign. No one's gonna stop us! And I swear, I'll be the Night King and uncover the truth.
No! You're not allowed to!
What did you say?
I let you take up the sword so you'd grow into a good person. Not just swing it around for fights.
Enough. Do you even know what that title means? Only through the campaign, only as the Night King can I uncover the truth. That blood debt, you may have forgotten. I never did. The massacre. Her mother died, so did countless civilians. Commander Neva forgot. How could you forget?
Liliano, I don't care if you're the commander's father. Stand in her way again. I won't hold back.
Serene, your mother never wanted this. She just wanted you safe and to grow up in peace.
You said just safe? Where were you that day?
Serene,
Where were you when she died?
I can't.
She must have been blind to choose a coward like you.
Serene, please.
Enough! Every child here looks up to their father. But mine? My only hero is the Storm Knight. If you were even half the man he was, maybe I wouldn't hate you so much.
Must our daughter meet the same fate because of you?
No. The Storm Knight was no hero. Just a damn fool chasing fights.
Watch your tongue, you're just a stableman. How dare you speak of him like that?
Get out! Now! Last warning. Or I won't be so polite next time.
You all keep singing his praises. But tell me, who here actually saw him? That man couldn't even protect his own wife. His land.
We haven't seen him, yes. But everyone knows him. Undefeated, a legend. And you? Go back to your horses, old man.
Now get out! She's already decided. Unless the Storm Knight shows up, nothing's changing her mind.
I won't repeat myself. Get out.
Serene, please.
Commander! Grey Mist forces are attacking. They've breached the walls. Ursa's leading them.
Grey Mist? Grey Mist brings slaughter wherever they go. If they're here, it's for blood, not talk. Evacuate civilians. The rest, get ready to fight.
Sir, you should go. If Grey Mist breaks through, people are going to die.
You wanted to stay out of this, right? Then go! Urs of Grey Mist, are you here to start a war?
On the orders of our Grand Commander, Pendragon. We're taking your spot in the campaign, and your land. Commander, they raided Westwood and the nearby towns. Men
Your Storm Knight ruined us back then. Now we're just taking what's ours. Hand over your place in the campaign, or your men wear chains. And your women get sold. Don't. You're dead! Serene, wait.
Wait! They crave the right to fight the holy war. No right, no way to dig up the past truth. No way to get revenge for Mom!
He's your level, but he's fought killers his whole life. That Grey Mist style, it's twisted, dangerous. You just reached 6th rank. You are not ready for him. Just wait a little longer. In 15 minutes, the 18-year seal lifts. Then I'll finish it all.
He hasn't even made a move yet, and you already know all that? If you're gonna lie, make it convincing.
Ignore him. Stablemen don't teach knights how to fight. Commander, let me fight.
Oh? Entertain me.
See? Same rank, and he can't even touch him.
He's not even trying. The moment he does, 3 seconds. That's all he has.
Then let's count. 3, 2, 1. No!
Pathetic.
Captain!
Damn. 6th rank. 3 seconds. Just like he said. Storm Knights? Pathetic. Seizing your Imperial campaign means nothing. You'd look better in chains. Maybe our Grand Commander will take the pretty ones.
Stand down! All of you hold! Urs. Your opponent is me.
Wait! Give them the campaign spot first. I promised your mother I'd keep you safe.
Shut up! I don't have a father who kneels to scum like this!
The Commander's father. A stableman? You should listen to him, Commander. I might let you keep some shred of dignity as slaves.
Let go! Do you know what this Imperial campaign stands for? It's the chance to end the suffering of Stormland's people, and my only shot at avenging my mother! As their commander, how can I give everything up? I'm not asking you to be a hero. Not like the Storm Knight. But why? Why can't you stand like a man just once?
No, that's not it. Wait. Just wait a little longer. I'll keep you safe. I promised your mother.
Move. Coward. Serene Issa, Commander of the Storm Knights. 6th rank. Come on, prove your strength.
She got this! She's the best we've got!
Scum, they're coming for our people. And you still want us to wait? What now? You gonna summon the Storm Knight or something?
See that? Your miss means nothing!
No, he's doing this on purpose.
What?
6th rank. Experienced. There's no way he's this weak. Unless...
Look! She's got him! She's gonna win!
7 rank power! It's a trap!
Now!
No!
Shut up! She's winning, and you're telling her to hold back? Some father you are!
die.
What? He was right?
Quickly conjure your windshield to block!
Lucky guess, stableman. But what happens when I stop playing around?
Sir! Sir! She's in trouble, what do we do?
The missile messing with you, but it's weak. Go straight at him. Even if you take a hit, force him into a real clash.
Drop the guard! That's suicide! Commander, don't listen to him. He has no idea what he's talking about.
So this is Stormland's commander. Disappointing.
Damn it. If this continues, we'll only be worn down by him. No choice but to give it a try.
Dropping the gun will get her killed! Dane, that's your own daughter! So this is your weakness. You're done.
Sir was right again.
Not bad. Seems Stormland ain't totally useless. But your campaign spot, we're taking it.
What do you mean?
Did you really think I was the strongest one who came today?
Beat him here!
I have to step in. Damn it! Why won't it break?
Julian Nightingale? Pendragon's disciple? Why the hell is he here?
Wait, the one they say reached 8th rank?
You disappoint me. Struggling with a little girl.
Captain,
Not bad. You look pretty good. Hand over the slot. Serve me. I might spare you a little order.
In your dreams.
Watch out!
This power?
That's it. One casual swing nearly broke you, and you call yourself the Storm's Head. Damn it. Still not time.
Senior, finish her. Let them see what happens to the weak.
Stop!
Fine! You win. Take what you want, but hands off her!
Surrender? Sure. Kneel. Give up your Imperial campaign. Swear loyalty to us. And we'll take your surrender.
Don't kneel! Leonor! If you kneel, we're done!
8. Enough wasting my time. Kneel. Or she dies with her pride.
Must our daughter meet the same fate because of you?
Please, spare her. I said kneel. I never said I'd spare her.
Come! Stormland raised me. A knight dies for her land. That is honor!
6.
They lied to us! Kill them! Stop!
Easy. Watch it close. This is what happens to those who won't kneel. We'll hang her head on your gates.
Touch her again. I swear, I'll make every one of you pay!
Oh, the stable rat thinks he can threaten me now.
I'm Serene Essa, commander of the Storm Knights. For Stormland, for our people, I will never kneel!
Storm Knights! Never kneel! Pathetic fools! Ants can never stand against me!
아래를 클릭해서 구독하고 전체 버전을 시청하세요.